Chantel bakes cookies. Chantel plays tennis. Chantel tells me secrets about his new dentist. Chantel drives cars. Chantel wears bling. Chantel even used to be the Burger King. I'm on a horse. Chantel, I'm on a horse. Chantel, yeah. Chantel, I'm on a horse. Chantel, I'm on a horse. Chantel is my horse and he's wooden like a tree. I'm on a horse. 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 We ride in the park. We ride in the streets. We ride where people buy their sheets. We ride in the desert. We ride in the fall. We ride inside of the stalls. Chantel got arrested 7 different times. He poked an elephant and called it Miley Cyrus. I love Chantel cause he calls me his donkey. I'm on a horse, you're just eating grass.
I'm on a horse. I'm on a horse. I'm on a horse. I'm on a horse.
Get off my horse right now.
Right now. Get off my horse.
Right now.
Get off.
Yeah!
Get off.
I like horses.
Do
Yes,
you?
I do.
I like horses.
Kidnap Winnie the Pooh. With
Winnie the
my
Pooh.
horse and never gonna eat him. Cause he's so cute. I'm on a horse. Moo.
Moo.